This guide, I'll show you how to use the Google DNS on your PS5. So from the home screen, select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and we're going to go to network settings. Then scroll down to network settings again and go to setup internet connection. Now once you're here, you'll be able to see your Wi-Fi network. So press the options button on your controller, and we're going to go to advanced settings. Then scroll down to where it says DNS settings, and we're going to change it from automatic to manual. Now under the primary DNS, you want to type in 8.8.8.8 and then save that. And for the secondary DNS, you want to type in 8.8.4.4. Then you just want to select OK, and your PS5 is going to connect to your Wi-Fi and connect to the internet to ensure it's working. Then if you want to go back to connection status, you can also test your internet connection to see if there's any improvement in your connection speed for downloads and uploads. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.